Hello friends, today we will discuss about growing demand of packaging machines for food, cosmetic, pharma industries in Thailand. The food, cosmetic, and pharmaceutical industries in Thailand are experiencing a huge rise due to the continuously increasing demand. Hence, the industries must be well equipped with the machines in order to provide an adequate supply. The cosmetics market has a high value and is likely to grow even more in the near future. It is also an opportunity for budding entrepreneurs to take advantage of this situation and make the most out of it. Bhagwati Pharma offers high-grade machinery for these industries in Thailand in order to meet the customer requirements. Some of the machines that we supply and are in demand are self-adhesive labeling machine, shrink sleeve applicator, mixer and manufacturing plant, filling and capping machine, etc. These machines are capable of producing high output rates with the potential to be used for a prolonged period. Food and cosmetic market scenario in Thailand has a huge seafood market. It is also one of the major seafood exporters of the world, and this plays an important role in the country's economy. Apart from seafood, Thailand also observes a huge demand of rice, tapioca, processed, fresh, frozen and canned food and sugar. Currently, it is one of the world's top 10 producers and exporters of processed food products. Such heavy demand requires quality machines as well for packaging, labeling, etc. The cosmetic industries in Thailand are undergoing rapid evolution, thus attracting a wide array of local and foreign customers. Several multi-label beauty stores are opening in the country in order to expand the brand portfolio. Bhagwati Pharma supplies packaging machines like liquid filling machine, sticker labeling machine, self-adhesive labeling machine, shrink sleeve applicator, etc. The self-adhesive labeling machine, also known as in Thai language, is used to put labels around the container, either fully or partially. Bottle label or in Thai, play an utmost important role for any product packaging as it displays important information regarding the company and contents of the product. Shrink sleeve applicator is another packaging machine that is preferred for accurate label casting. It is generally used for the beverage manufacturers and reduces the overall production cost to improve the output rate. Agricultural and pharmaceutical market scenario in Thailand. The agricultural scenario is blossoming in Thailand every year. Thailand has been one of the leading countries in the world for exporting rice. In order to increase productivity, several chemicals are required like pesticides, insecticides, etc. As a result, the demand for these chemicals has also augmented significantly. We, at Bhagwati Pharma, offer several machines like viscous liquid filling machine, in Thai, capping machine, etc. for the industries looking to manufacture and provide these agrochemicals. Bottle filling machine and capping machine, which is also referred to as capping in Thailand, is also an important equipment used for filling the bottles with their respective content and then seal it in order to protect it from getting contaminated. The pharmaceutical market has been continuously increasing due to significant advancements in the medical field. To fulfill the requirement of medicines for the treatment of diseased patients, pharmaceutical companies must be laced with the machines to have the requisite production. Bhagwati Pharma supplies machines like tablet counting machine, auger powder filling machine, screw capping machine, liquid filling machine, etc. that takes care of entire production. These machines have excellent workability that ensures high yields. FMCG market scenario in Thailand. FMCG, also known as fast-moving consumer goods, are the products that are sold quickly and at relatively lower prices. These include basic essential goods such as packaged foods, beverages, toiletries, etc. The FMCG has experienced the highest growth in recent years, and hence every company works diligently to cater to the customers' demands. Bhagwati Pharma has a wide array of packaging machinery, like sticker labeling machine, front and back labeling machine, screw capping machine, etc. that provides assurance of high output rate. The machines take care of entire operation ranging from filling, packaging to storing. The bottom line, there is a huge potential for food, cosmetic, pharma industries in the Thailand market as per the recent trends. The companies, therefore, must be well prepared to meet these demands in order to have a stronger hold in the market. Bhagwati Pharma, with its state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities, offers quality machines that can help Thailand-based companies achieve a high production rate. We provide bottling line for food, cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, FMCG, FMCG in Thai language, that help them with their production. For more scenario of growing demand of packaging machines derivatives applications visit at www.bhagwatipharma.com. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon to get the latest updates of our videos.